My name is Lakshman Agadi. I'm the founder and the chairman of MedGyn products, a company dedicated to women's health care worldwide, not just in the United States. We are present in 145 countries in the world. And the whole story started when I came to this country in 1975. I got a job here in Chicago. The most interesting product I discovered was laminaria. It's a more than a 100-year-old story. It was discovered by Japanese and used in Japan. And I came to know this was clinically far superior than any laminaria at that time existed. I invented my own Agadi forceps because most of the Forrester ring forceps are very big. There are some women whose cervix is very stenotic. Stenotic means tight. They needed a small one, so I came up with my own small ring forceps. I enjoyed every minute of it because not only we created the distributors, I met several doctors from all over the world. They were very thankful to us for creating these products. These were very helpful to the women's health care, especially our endosample used for early detection of endometriosis. You see, that is an excellent product. Let me go around the world and start selling so many countries in the world. Endosample is big in United Kingdom, France, Sweden, Germany, Denmark, Finland, Norway, and also Netherlands, and Belgium.
Hi, I'm Arti Singh. I'm the CEO of MedGyn. We are a global medical device manufacturer and distributor focused on products for women. So our customers are obstetricians and gynecologists based here in hospitals, clinics, offices, as well as all over the world. And we are very proud to be able to make an impact on what continue his legacy of really helping others, helping women in particular. I think that shared passion is something that has bound us then, 14 years ago, and continues to bind us today. MedGyn's mission is really to develop trusted products for women. That word trust is so critical in healthcare. We want doctors to know that they can count on MedGyn. And it's that trust that they put in us that has allowed us to continue to operate worldwide for almost 50 years. And it's something that we stand by. As a team, we're constantly innovating, and that's what keeps us at the forefront of women's health, and we're growing as an organization. But that focus on collaboration is really done by our teams. We have a very strong commercial sales team, operations team, supporting functions that are constantly in collaboration. Any given day you would see these cross-functional teams working together, and that's really what's led to our success. In addition to that, we have an incredibly diverse team. We speak over 20 languages in this building, which allows us to have customers in over 150 countries today. I think you have the best results when you have an extremely diverse cultural team that is able to solve problems, and in our case, solve the problems of physicians to treat women. And that is a beauty and a gem in itself. A lot of people who visited us say, you're like the mini United Nations. And we would laugh, but internally we would agree, because we would see the beauty of a small family business that is so multicultural and diverse and truly stands by it and has seen the success of that diversity really impact women in our industry.
Hi, so my name is Amar Agadi. I'm the Chief Medical Officer of MedGyn International, Inc. The company has always focused since its inception to provide quality products for obstetrics and gynecology for practitioners all over the world. To achieve those quality objectives, we follow ISO 13485 standards, which are internationally recognized as standards that delineate the quality of the products. In terms of R&D, we're continuously focused on adding to our product line products that would help with patient care in a wide variety of environments around the world. For example, cryotherapy was added to our product line several years ago to provide access to cervical cancer treatments in the rural areas. Well, most recently, we've added a thermocoagulator to our product line for the similar purpose to that in areas where they do not have gas.
The ways that we've grown over the years is we did a couple things. We've expanded our supply chain and manufacturing footprint, as well as our commercial footprint, both here in the US as well as globally. But we've also invested in acquiring new technologies and companies. And back in 2020, we had acquired Thomas Medical, which is a manufacturer of infertility products. And we're very proud to have Thomas Medical under the MedGyn portfolio. Not wait for the next 50 years. We have invested quite a bit in new technologies, including evaluating AI, evaluating new softwares, evaluating how to make our products more customizable to our providers, and ultimately also educating women on what health should be and what is available to them and what preventative measures they can take. To me, that's truly the beauty of healthcare.
Now we have come all the way. 1975 until now, I can't believe it's 50 years old. I enjoy every minute of what we